Alright guys, just thought I'd do a little bit of an update. I thought I need a shave as well. So, desk is pretty much there now. Got the old up and down piece there. I don't know if I mentioned this before or not. The old TV system, I've got to wire that in tonight. So we'll have the old surround sound piece. Got a new TV for there, so that's that sorted. And I'm still working out whether to move this across a bit because it will leave the glass clear for opening the slot wall there. Got a couple of the old Oculus Quest 2s there for Ubi and his mate. So well, look at the grime on that. They get a sweat on when they're playing on these. These need a good clean. Might be a job for him tonight. And obviously I've got the Quest Pro down there next to the Xbox and all the bits and pieces and some tidying up to go on. And I've got there's some like driver training stuff on the Xbox, which I got the steering wheel and that for April, just to get a bit more familiar with driving before she starts going out on the road. Sofa's there now. Not too fussed on the tidying up at the minute. I'll tell you why. Is because I've got to take all that out to get the electrics in. So that's going to be my weekend job, bringing the electrics round, so we can get the feed for the outdoor area. So that's nearly there, and I've got a little stand for the plant down there. Where is it? I've got to put the plant back actually. I don't know if you can see it. Where am I looking? I can't see it from there. Let's do it this way. So I got this fairly large stand there. So I lift the plant right up so you can walk under it. Got that from the Chinese shop yesterday for €6. So that was a bargain, because when I went to Leroy Merlin, there's one about half the size for €44. But the plant will be on there. I'll put him back. Got to put my picture back because that fell down the stairs when we were bringing the sofa up earlier. So we've got the sofa bed there. Got to sort those boxes out. So then you've got the sofa bed area here for the boys. And I might have to move that up a bit and sort this mess out here. So much stuff. But yeah, I'll get there. Might put one of my pictures up there as well. I've got loads of pictures there as well that you might not see. But down here, there's loads of pictures and stuff I bought over the years while we've been over in Spain. So they've got to find new homes. They're going to sneeze after touching them because of the dust. Yep, going to sneeze. And then today's job is I put the grass down, which obviously I've got a bit of a carpet for grass. This is tidying up here. Just trying to straighten the edge out on the end, so I put some rubble on there just to see if it will go flat. If it won't, I'll cut it off because I've got some more grass to go all the way down. And then obviously I've got to tidy this mess up at the same time. But as you can see, things are starting to tidy up. And these little trees that are going to go outside. I'm going to put a couple of external sockets in for those, which will make it nice and bright out there. So it is getting there. So it's yeah, good. Nearly there. 70% there. And obviously I've got a little heater as well, this little guy down here. I was looking at a bigger heater, but then you sort of think, well, to be fair, it doesn't really get stupidly cold here, because we sit with the salt lakes over there, and there's like a bit of an eco climate, so it doesn't really get cold. And it looks like April's got my dehumidifier over here somewhere. She took it downstairs. Yeah, so we got the dehumidifier as well for upstairs as well, because that, to be fair, that's one thing I will say that's actually worth buying, because it keeps the moisture out, which basically got rid of any of the damp issues that you normally get. Because one of the problems you get here is with the weather, it's more that there's moisture in the air than it's cold. So if you take the moisture out, it's warmer, but also means you've got less damp at the same time, and it's a lot cheaper than air conditioning or heating. But it does make a big difference doing that. Looks like we've got a nice sky out there tonight as well. Windows look like they also want to clean. Yeah, it's actually becoming a bit of a space. I can see the kids enjoying the space up here once I get these last bits sorted. But yeah, that's pretty much my update. I'm so busy with work as well. This is the other thing, because I'm doing these bits in the evening. It's like last night, I think we went to Leroy Merlin about 6 o'clock at night. It's like really heavy rain, but we brought the grass back. Then went to the Chinese shop to bought the shelving. Could try to do a little bit every day. So the weekends we're not flat out, because I think it's Friday tomorrow. What are we having for dinner tonight?
Your food's ready.
Oh, my food's ready. That's alright, because we're going to go to Murphy's on Friday, aren't we? Burger Friday with Oob.
No, just you and him.
Okay, just me and Oob. Yeah.
You can eat now, then we'll go.
Where am I going?
Ooby's training.
Ah, okay. Yeah, Ooby's got martial arts, so you can see I have very little spare time. Alright guys, nice to hear from you. And I'm going to have a shave. Look at that, bad beard. It's like a mustache starting to appear, but it's like when you can't grow a mustache and you just get little bits everywhere. Just have another shave today. Alright, thanks for watching.